Hi guys, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner recording a voiceover using Luke's microphone. So if you notice the audio quality is better, it's thanks to Luke. Okay, so I'm using the Morphe Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. Who remembers this palette? Raise your hands. And I'm just doing a makeup tutorial focusing on the eyes today. We're going to be doing a cut crease, half cut crease look. So for those of you who want to learn how to do a half cut crease, then this is the video for you. So I just used a few pink shades in the very beginning. So the first one was called My, and I believe that this is the second shade, which is called Back. Jeffree Star didn't really put enough effort into naming the shades. Like the first row of this palette is just called Welcome Back to My Channel. Okay, anyways. So now we've taken the third shade, and the third shade is actually called Self-Made. And basically these are a mixture of pink shades because you know Kezia loves pink, and we're just putting them in my crease. So I started with the lightest shade and now I'm working my way to the brightest, hottest pink. Basically I had something in my eye there and I don't know how, but it ended up while I was editing I was realizing that I had something again in my eye. There it is. You see, and now it just flies away. Anyway, so we're just blending. Just be really gentle with your blending because it's very, very, very important. Okay, the next one, I did not write this down on my note list, apparently. And I think it's called Pink Fleet, I believe. Yes, it's called Pink Fleet. So, yeah. Whoops. So that one is Pink Fleet. And again, I just use the same brush. The brush is from eBay. It's a fluffy brush. And I just use this to blend my pink shades. And then I actually got a new brush, a blending brush. And I just went over the two top shades, which were My and Back. Okay, now very, very interesting. I actually used the shades called Mogul and Fastlane to create like this deep, smoky, purple, dark shade over here. And I just applied it at my outer corner. Started like a winged eyeliner, but then I decided against it, as you will see very soon. And I also applied some of that shade in my inner corner as well. And then I just got the first brush we used first and I just blended it. And honestly, I just blended over here. So over here, all you will do is just blend and blend and blend. And that is all you will do. So yes, take your time in blending. I feel like I haven't had time to do a makeup look like this in forever, like ages. And it was really nice sitting down and just creating this makeup look, and I really, really enjoyed it. It just relaxes me. It's very therapeutic for me. So this is one of my things that I do to relax, to calm myself, to ground myself, because I feel like today was an all over the place day. Everything was going wrong and your girl panics a lot. So Luke over here was like, calm down. But I'm like, nope. When everything's going wrong, I'm like, nope. So yeah, I'm glad I got some time to just sit down, do some makeup and settle down basically, and calm down and relax. So as you can see, I'm really taking my time with blending, but once you do that, the results are actually amazing. So you can see like how the shades blended so nicely together. So now the cut crease. All you do is basically apply a cut crease. I've gotten this product from Revolution and it's the cut crease canvas. And I just use a flat brush and I'm just outlining where I want the shimmer shades and where I want the cut crease basically. So this is called a half cut crease because you're not doing a full cut crease, which goes out to like a winged look basically. To your outer corner. So this is just a half cut crease. First I like doing it once and then I like going over it again with some more product. But the trick is that then I use my fingers to kind of pat it away, and this helps to kind of settle it all. And what I like doing with half cut creases is I like using the outer corner shade. So I blended using that brush I had applied my outer corner, and then I used the brush that I applied my two lightest shades again, and then I use the brush again that I used for my, what's it called? Crease. Okay, now for shimmer shades, you need to damp the brush, and I like using my setting spray that I had sitting down right there. And I used the shade called 2, literally, that's all it's called. And I put this in my inner part of my eyelid. And then I took the shade called Glam Rapids, which is this beautiful green shimmer shade. And I applied this like in my middle, going to the outer corner. And I just went back and forth with these two shades to kind of make sure that there's no harsh edges between them. However, I was not very happy with just these two shimmer shades. I went in with another one, which is called Don't Know Her, like that's what the shade is called. And I applied that Don't Know Her in my outer corner to kind of blend with my other outer corner shades. And I just went back and forth with these shimmer shades. So what I would do is over here I have actually 3 brushes for the 3 shades, and I just go and alternate between them, so I just blend and there won't be any harsh edges basically. So that is what I am doing right now. So yeah, who remembers those clips that I'm wearing? Like, they remind me of my teenage years, honestly. Just remember those. Okay, what am I going to say now? Basically, you just take your time and voila. And now I guess I will do the same thing on the other eye. And finally, I removed that tape. And now I'm just going to be doing some other makeup products for obviously around the base. And I'm using the Miracle Pro cream from Revolution. I use my Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. My shade is called Macaroon. And these are the products that I've also been using for my project pan basically, so I've been loving using them. However, with this foundation, I always forget that I have to blend the foundation down on my neck, and yeah, I always forget. So please forgive me, be kind to me, because I only remembered when I was gonna take some photos for the video. So I did not blend down to my neck in the video. However, after I did realize that I had to, because I always forget that this shade is a bit darker. So then I use the concealer from Benefit, the Boing Concealer. I find that these two products go very well together, and I'm very happy with the overall base that they create. And yeah, I just take my time. I'm using this new concealer technique apparently, that you just put a little bit in the corners of your eyes, both of the inner corner and the outer corner, and yeah, very happy with it. Now I'm using the Rimmel Match Perfection Loose Setting Powder. Again, this is in my project pan, and yeah, the Gilded Bear Glow Pillow Glow Cake from Pixi, which I absolutely love. I mean, look at that glow. It is just so beautiful, so stunning, so natural. Okay, so then I used the shade called Back for my lower lash line. I don't like putting so many shades in my lower lash line, to be honest. So that is all I've used. And then I put in my inner corner the shade called 2, and also my brow bone. And oh my god, I actually wore lashes, and I actually wore the honey lashes from Imagination called Honeybee. And well, I mean, one of them came good. The left one, yeah, not so good. Yeah, I was very like, nope. But I'm not going to stay taking them off again. Okay, so then for lips, I was between these two shades, and the one I chose was the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. And I don't know why I just put a banner over me applying my lipstick, but you get the drill. So that is basically the finished look. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. A cut crease is not that difficult, with patience, with time, with the right brush, and yeah, with patience mostly, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, if you want to see a more detailed how to cut crease, then let me know. And if you like this Let's Talk Makeup, maybe I can do a series of it. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!